Hey, welcome to my quick tutorial on how to make oatmeal protein bites. They're my favorite snack to make in 15 minutes when you have old bananas that are sitting on the kitchen counter staring at you and they have passed their point of desirability. Take 2 of those, mash them up into a nice gushy consistency in a bowl and set those aside. Next step is to grab your favorite nut butter. I use peanut butter and I use 1 heaping spoonful and I add it to the bowl of mashed bananas. You can optionally add some ground flaxseed just for some extra nutrition, and then you mix it all together. This is what it looks like. Wasn't that great? This is ground cinnamon. Put in a pinch, teaspoon, however much you want, and then add it to the bowl. This is what that looks like. But you'll want to mix it up and get it all nice and blended evenly. Then grab your favorite oatmeal and add 1 to 1.5 cups, depending on the consistency of the mush in the bowl. You kind of want slightly more oatmeal than mush, and then you need to get your chocolate chips ready and put them in there because that's your business. If you have to add more, you can. Tear off a piece of tin foil and put that on a cookie sheet, and then get a scooper of some kind. I actually use a melon baller to scoop out cookie-sized portions. Then this is important. Make the tin foil fall off of the cookie sheet directly onto the surface floor of the hot oven. Remember, the oven is 350 degrees, so grab a spoon and erratically scoop up as much of the mixture as you possibly can before this happens. The mixture will harden and get in a crust form immediately on the bottom, so grab a scraper of some kind and just completely